Hello everyone, welcome back to STEM Academy channel. Today we are going to make something super cool and very useful. What if you could control the traffic of an entire city from your table? Yes, we are going to learn how to make a traffic light project step by step. Have you ever noticed the red, yellow and green lights on the road? Do you know how they work? Today we will not just learn about them, we will make our own traffic light model at home. So get ready with your LEDs, wires and excitement. Let's start building our smart traffic light. You see, in traffic light, generally there is three LEDs: red, green, and yellow. So all three LEDs into connected in a particular manner, where a one LED such as blink, the other two LED is not blink. So we will use the all three LEDs through switch, that is the push button, and some resistor. So let me start an activity. So you know that is a common ground. So we have to be attach first green LED, and there is two lag common ground and positive lag. A ground lag on LEDs should have a common ground like this. So the common the anode, uh, so you can see the negative lag of this LED is connected to the negative rails and the positive is on pin number 24. So I will fix this push button to pin number 24 across its part. So there is a breaker. So you can see in the line of 24 there is a connect with a one lag to the N positive of LED, and through another lag we will pass through that resistor. The resistor is of 330 ohm. So this will connect to the positive rail like this. Okay, so let me start the circuit and check is it working. Okay, so our circuit is working nice, and this is the 1/3 of the circuit. So we will do same exactly what we have done with this green LED. We have yellow LED and the common ground to this and pin number 15. Similarly, like this, and tip one resistor like this. You can put in any hole, but the same with this lag, the 13 number lag. So like this, and the other end of this resistor should be fixed with positive rail, and the last one, the negative to negative rail, and positive to pin number 7, and with the same line put this switch button and in the series in another lag like this, and to the positive rail. Okay, so we have make a 3 circuit independently but have a similar ground with the native terminal of battery. So a circuit is complete. Let me check. Green LED, okay, red LED, and the yellow LED. So green LED for go, red LED for stop, and this one is for the starting